In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Gmail. First, we need to install the tool. To do this, open your internet browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Once you are there, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the extension you need. After finding it, click the button that says Add to Chrome. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog box to appear, asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. Once completed, you will see a notification indicating that the tool has been successfully added to your browser. This step is crucial, as having the right tool ensures that you can create buttons easily within Gmail. Next, we will compose your email. Open Gmail by visiting the Gmail website and logging in if prompted. Once you are in your inbox, look for the Compose button on the left side of the screen. Click this button to open a new email window. You will see a blank email form appear. Here, you can enter the recipient's email address, subject line, and the body of your message. This is where your button will later be inserted. Taking the time to compose your email now prepares the space for the button you are about to create. Now, it's time to design your button. In the new email window, look for a new icon that says Insert Button. This icon will be located on the bottom toolbar right next to the Send button. Click on this icon to open a design interface for your button. Once you are in the design window, you will see various options to customize your button. This is where the fun begins. Creating a visually appealing button helps grab the recipient's attention and encourages them to take action. Next, customize your button. In the design interface, you will find a space to type in the button text. This is what your recipients will see when they look at the button. Think carefully about the wording you want to use. Below the text area, there is a field where you can enter the web URL that the button will link to. This could be a website, a document, or any online resource. Additionally, you can adjust the colors, borders, and sizes of your button to fit your email's design aesthetic. Customizing your button to match your brand or style makes your email look more professional and inviting. After designing your button, it's time to insert it into your email. Simply click the Insert button in the design interface. Once you do this, the button will be placed directly in the body of your email at the location of your cursor. You will see it appear right where you want it, making it stand out in your message. This step is essential as it ensures that your button is not only created but also properly positioned within your email for maximum visibility. With your button inserted, you can now finalize your email. Review everything carefully to ensure that the text, URL, and button design are just as you want them. Once you are satisfied with the email, you can proceed to send it by clicking the Send button. This final action will deliver your email, complete with the newly added button, to your recipient's inbox. This sends your message effectively, allowing your recipients to interact with the button you created. By following these steps, you can easily add buttons to your Gmail emails, enhancing your communication and making it more engaging for your recipients.